Piaget and Vygotsky were one of the most considered psychologists to explain the theory of cognitive development, especially for kids from 0 to 12 years of age. Vygotsky actually proposed a theory under which society, culture, and external factors are shaping the cognitive development, like observation skills, listening skills, language development, logical thinking, societal socializing, develop observation regarding yourself, etc., etc. These things happens because of external factors such as society and culture, according to Vygotsky. But Piaget, on the counterpart, proposed a theory where internal factors mattered the most, and he divided the cognitive development of a kid into four primary stages, and the age group was from 0 to 12 years and 12 years and above, right? So the first stage was sensory motor stage, through which we got Piaget was trying to explain that most of the development, fundamental development that is happening in this stage of 0 to 2, because here your sensory motor, your sensory motor experiences and observations from your tongue, basically from your taste, right, from your listening, how the way you see things, right, your vision, etc. They are making you to think and observe yourself, and that is not into the form of thinking, right, constructive thinking. Then there is the pre-operational stage, which is quite important, because here most of the psychomotor development and language development take place. After that, it's the concrete operational stage. This is very, very important. The concrete operational stage ranges from 7 to 11 years, where most of your development regarding logical thinking, abstract thinking, inductive reasoning, that means reaching from general to specific, right? These things also develop at this stage. And last but not the least, that is after the age of 12 years, is most of the time where all these developments that took in the three stages are acting on you, and now you are able to engage into deductive logic, right, rational thinking, from the structure of the society, your roles and responsibility, your obligations towards the society, your family, peer, etc. All kind of these things, right? The shaping of your personality, the shaping of your traits, so that they become quite apparent, right? Quite visible in your behavior and cognition, happens after the age of 12. So these were four stages of development. Now, the most important thing is the internal factors, that how exactly you have to focus on the stages where there might be disturbances or problem, and rectify those mistakes, or bring a cognitive restructuring or an adaptive behavior in those kind of stages. And even if it is going well, then to push the limits of that person in realizing more potentials and aptitude regarding himself, while increasing his self-esteem, etc. So these things are also very important. So Piaget's theory is considered to be the most relevant theory of cognitive development. This is a practice that you should inculcate, you should incorporate into your daily life with your kids and yourself as well, so that it gives you a better understanding and better contemplation skills or introspection skills regarding yourself. You can evaluate yourself rationally and in a more progressive manner.